dem si suuf. Arma wàcc. Bilaay waaye leen fii booy bàyyi leen journaliste yi ñu.
Unless every member of our team is released and arrive here.
Can you push your phone a little bit?
And we're gonna come back here to debrief you about what is happening and the next step. So please be patient, and we are going to speak to you in a clear language, and we're gonna make content clear. We're not bowing down.
Yes. Power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people.
Freedom is never free. And then the price for our freedom began day before yesterday. And until we get what we want, we are not going to relent. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Walaikum salam.
Sorry, sorry. Okay.
nekkul ci politique lañ ko commencé parce que ñun ñu nekk ci groupe bi bokkuñ politique waxante wuñ ne kii parti bi la nekk kii parti bi la nekk Gambia bi moom lañ xool ñu xool ne Gambia am na lu mu soxla ne xaalis bu rëy am na xaalis bu rëy te nekkul xaalis rek de nekkul xaalis rek Gambia bi fii $1 billion boo ko translaté dafa nekk 70 billion dollars loolu musta réew fii suñu génération bi ci la xew OIC 5 billion la ñu ngi wax 50 billion dinañ gën a wax ak yéen waaye fu mu nekk nii ñu ngi suñu jigéen suñu fi nekk because of you people
The Franco taken them back, they can come home. Go now, somebody in Pacoca.
Ni wan si moto de xawma ban moto
kon ni jaw ko wul ko ko je say mo sa kuda ak adole ba ni abu ala ba inshallah ni na mo na ni ko ko ñuma me mo informe la ba fa mo yela ko me mi nek la ko tangi bar ba me plale wala mu ko man ta mur la ko ma me kelo men na ba dala ko
One more thing.
People power. People
power.
People power. People power. People power. People power.
One more thing, please. Our boys are at the station. They refuse to sign the bail, and the police refuse to listen to them. Please keep calm, but if they're not here in the next 1 hour, we take this.
All right, so what I'm statement to Nyalongo, Nilu Abu, yeah, Abenyadi. Gambians, boy, I never do go like a blue dealer. I'm sorry about that. I'll come call direct, please. Be the call Tarola science side, please.
Karena pagi obam mantan, coba charge kan?
No, sign them more info from Gola. He has a good battery. I just want to have So just to update, min kera ela modol bijele mi alon ko han say wal ban fuda nan walem Fallou Gallas Cissé it will be waiting at a police station also in Manina Fallou Gallas Cissé. So Fallou be mi foka walem ni de kaman sonka after le puri abula unconditionally amon boil ko kana taraji. So I think ila lawyer taraji le mi kara LST pour que diamo pour ça c'est bula no nyara. So Bafaka nebe wole batula pour ye bula 1 hour. So but after 1 hour ni me bula be murla street sol kan. So yeah, so we were temple to science center. Yes. Thanks, man. Thanks so much. Boy, now. I just want to have a serious. We're live. We're live. No, it's okay. We're live on Kerfado right now. Laftale Cabrial arrest nyala and the experience Yemin Soroje Priyo Fanya. What was your experience?
Yes. So for now, as spokesperson, I'm going to do a general debrief. But we're going to say anything about the arrest and then the conditions until we hear from everybody. So for now, all what we can do is calm people down, Buba, and tell them to wait until Gallas and Ousainou are out. Then we listen to everybody. I was in a different station. We are all in a different station. We were distributed in this country like some goods and services. So but now, if I say anything, I'm going to only sound my experience. So we want the media to be patient with us until everybody is come. We're going to debrief and we're going to get back to you.
But do you know what's your next step?
Our next step is, first, as we speak now, Gallas and Ousainou refuse to sign the bail paper. If they're not out, we are storming the roads from here to Warengara to make sure that they are out. And second, our next step is, if the list is out, heads must roll, accountability must go. But we'll speak to the media.
All right, thank you so much.
Umar.
Thank you. So wala Omar Saibo ate dabe nyaton ko kono le mi yalon ko mi wolle mudano so saying ibela molle badunga mi yalon ko lebe weri ngara Ousainou Gambia ni Fallou Gallas na tara ko mi bula 1 hour ye wolle dila 1 hour ye wolle dila so after 1 hour iko be silol talale so ibe bola Westfield jankata fo weli ngara police station do pour ka make sure ko ye fintinde so ibe wolle fokan Fallou Gallas ne Ousainou Gambia le manna folo wolbe I think weli ngara police station do bari la lawyer min kera LST mole mi alon ko akamtale ko LST jele. So what will happen after 1 hour? So be button la nga jibe after 1 hour ibe mune fengela be kela. Yes, you are live on Kerfado. On that day I was there when you were arrested. I saw the way it was a very crazy time for you. What exactly happened after that arrest?
We were taken to the police station, and then we were basically they took our belongings and put us in a cell. And then after that, we were called back in one by one to charge us, and also whether we'll be willing to give a statement, which almost all of us didn't do. And then they put us back. And they were taking us out. I'm sure people have seen that commotion because we were only asking, where are you taking us? I mean, this post-Jamet trauma where you get lifted from one place, you're taken to the other, you never know what happens to you. So yeah, basically from there on, they took me to Sanyang with 3 other people, and we were there waiting. We were kept uninformed about the situation in the country, about our own situation. And we were literally living uncertainly in very precarious situation. but by and large it was okay. I mean, we were not we were harassed 1 or 2 times, maybe verbally, but there was no physical harassment whatsoever.
How were you harassed? What was the harassment about?
There was just some police officers, throwing rocks, like, you know, like.
They were insulting you?
Yeah, like there was a guy who insulted us, and then there was this one time when we wanted to go and pee because in the morning, you know, in the morning everybody wants to go and use the toilet. Yeah. And this guy kept us there for almost an hour when we were supposed to. And they were claiming that the queue was somewhere else, what. Yeah, basically, that also happened.
So how do you feel after being detained for 2 days? How do you feel? Does this discourage you on the course that you are taking?
I mean, if anything, it has made my determination and my resolve stronger that we are supposed to change this country. We are supposed to create a new society. So for me and for the rest of us, this is just the beginning, and we are not changing. We are not changing our demands, and in fact, we will add some more demands. That this country must go back to being a country that belongs to the people, not a country that belongs to a part or a few select group of people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sonko Gambia is here. Now, I'm going to protest. Yeah. Sonko Gambia fana bijane. Sonko yere fana release le. Mune mila experience the at the police station.
We are very happy because so I know Gambia understand yes, you know, one of the protests, one of the most diverse protests happening in this country. People from different groups, they one voice. So give me a courage campaign now. Gambia couldn't join what happened. Protest can come because if they protest can Baroma Sakunda, Nila, Gambia funding told day. Gabriel told me that funding told me kita mau miliar nasi, economic because ngajar aku jamin, waduh pintu kita, ikan dia mau arah gua apa kepada kita, dia mau parti anda group, miliar Gabriel told yang muda tu anak ada yang kau aku ini aku muda kan, kalau nak kursi anu amambai, so Gambia funding told kita. So we give special thanks to the Gambia Bar Association, especially LS Camara. LS Camara and other lawyers, full of lawyers, pro bono, major fender. In other ground, Kajako, we move funding to and noon, 70% or so of the population of this country are funding to but the members of the funding to I see blackly. Because Yanda Lolo funding to in a right movement to work. So let the can be more understand. We are not doing this for anybody. We're doing it for ourselves. We are not doing it for Jambe. We're not doing it for any political party leader. We are doing this for the future of the younger generation coming and ourselves. We are to know that the men for the Gambia political experience the men sort of nim kokoro when the mayor of Ankara Jamala. I am coming in the security sector reform member Amansa, especially the Scorpions Malayalo Babu Gang. Babu Gang will lead. When Babu Gang Gambian will be our leader, we will see Parliament. The Atlanta Yakomo Yaka Bewot and the steering PIU kind of thing. Atala Mot Mayalo Nim. Adam Baro Nala Tilimbaro in a second Bankudu Tilimbalia. The funding goes to Yadum Babu Gay Broker. Babu Gay Broker funding goes to I get trick at the other Yamek. Because Niaji and Yajam Bofula. Because the Kabian Bonum Banju. Mayam Bonum Banju. I am someone who can't think. yembulani bano men ko bano ñu amam ventilation c'est
Palantero tiye.
parenter teje yembulani bano men ko bano ñu parentero ñu dela seronde ne leje me kala ka ñoka men siata dol men ko ma siata mo tan ni luutule anena mun ko tan ye police so do mel yalo ko tan dem taw mu do ko dol be siring dol be lori camera ko men ye bengulu bula mo ko yow ma ñale mo daje nada PIU the same situation almost 1 hour be lori PIU ila so ko je be lori je mo do ko no kambere nim ko ko mo do bunda yele ko order pour at least fayo ina so from complainta ko la le mo do bunda yele ya mo do bunda yele sain dol na ko ina sumnala ko babu je ko ta kala ko adi ena plan plan complainta je la plan ko ngi ko ina na mo bula ngala ka sumnala mo li fa so do jël kola yambula ni mo do kono ka yambula ni mo do kono e camera ko même salbe yam wolle muta mel ya lon ko kude dale anu ñu ma fani jolel mel ya lon ko adama baro la mo yelo ko ale men sunya la ko wala ale men sunya alo samana ale tan gambe dum wala so par way adama baro la mo li be ñak lan kan adu mon protest constant de sirine mbeta mi wala wato men ko nafo wato ñu man si de sirine dolom mbeta mi wala mbeta mi wala mbeta jala ñokat be domo la ina taje ma fanyo ko al dispass 1 ma fanyo ko al dispass 2 ma fanyo ko al dispass 3 len sika wala nyama ko beyon yembulani mo ko no nyama mo be nyaawo jela evidence are there clearly bari ka be mo da PIU ya manya men ke wala funam garaw tam manya do bayren fonni do na ko man kule dagi ndo to nya do na nyim kaka yembulani mo do la mo do nyanda silo men na man ta wala mo do kana silo men na mo do men aka e ka mo do wala tra bi ko be bloquer e ka mo to borin ni camera mu ka ko ni be kila sama sama be payim kan nyoka mo do ko dasi situation mo ya ta wala nyama fo la to funda abin bura la to funda e move to the other side of the road ndol be mo do men kono the black van ala driver from lo to la complain ko ko ni problem so babu je kay ko ana ta mo do whatever so we have to move babu je wala fa beje bo condition lo ko je samba to different police stations banyu nding parce que they start from banyu nding bu da je babu je information o men di banyu nding wala ñu ko ani bu la selo ko na ta sumol mena sunaro wala be sirin galaw ko towa par to mel ya lon ko non sunar ke be sumol le demaka yen to lemuta yen sinne yen bu la selo ko abi mo do banyu nding continue dara Brikama Misra also the same thing babu je wala ko babu je la ko ñu ko the officer ya lon ko ni wala ko tam banyu wonde babu je the scorpions the government of scorpions pia yuda na wala pia yuda military police also ibeni kido musulo kan ka bulan kada kido le be mun kido lo lon kan kido bari ko kan na baje ko ya ko mammo do lande wala so bakam kido man asila nim man kuriya kido man asila nim man ko ba anna ko na ko nyolo le kido man sila la asin kido man sila ko people na da wala ñu ko mun na kido yam ko ñebe ñu kiyamat la da wala ndebe la wala ñem pa ñebe yo ma kiyamat ñem pa man tuge ñem pa Gambia be ba no yam pam nan kama bango kelo ndawol ma sunarke yen ta wala nyama eni kido mo be silol kam mo be silaring mo be kido la farare Cameroon na kudo la be kunda ma so mo be farenge yam eni kido ka kido la lonkan we are putting guns on us like we are rebels or like we are committed a murder or we are committed crazy. This is what actually they were taken from. They came back to paradise, who should be that's where they kept me. Babu Jai, I let the people alone. Today, I try to keep myself because now I know. Then I don't know. I'm never going to open. And I okay. Oh, come here. Come here. You are so come. You don't know. You not down. Someone is madam. I'm not going to go down. I don't know. I don't know. Because I'm a caller. I'm a caller. Madam. So I'm going to must be called. I can't say I can't. I can't go near the local. I need some communicado. I want people to understand all this story because kandi ko anama baro masa kundal kilimbaliha anama baro masa kundal jawya anama baro masa kundal filibande ya ko me ba tiga ni nako kan pour Gambia ko ni jawol ya long la jambe ni ala pragi di dictator asada tan wala tan ko adama man nana tambila mo dan tan yesla minna sunan ba ko kan ali adama man nabe jam ka kanum ko akonyim banko kan ay sembo men soro man sara na sa ni kay ko nyaadi ako kadu ate e ko wasta gan ay am ko so gan ay piayu so gan ay piayu la scorpion so gan ako sembo men babu afrika la sembo la bada ako afrika bam afrika gan president de mes sembo so bis min go akle sembo so alika tam ya jambeti adama ka ko ko wala
so alla kaso kono experience kara nyaadi la where you people maltreated in anyhow inside kasol kono
yeah no the kaso kono experience come on go down you take us and put us in the cell when small yambulan selo kono small ani mel yalla ko kuru yalla ga ale tu kuru yalla e mo mel tu suñaro la ani mel tu kuru yalla yol sindi banda contrôler ko bu selo ko yesel la solo be
e ka domorol provider le nouveau
no the police la I went to the police from Finlage. Police don't want to Nyamina engage. But thank God to the Gambians. Thank God to the lawyers. Thank God to different people when they have been bringing food to us. They've been coming there giving us money for solidarity. I want people to understand this one. Don't know more like us someone than that. Make it a woman to go. Have you the solo of family one year? Because Megada, one the Casoko, you're too soon. Well, we have family that young. Well, we have family young. So this means go they have put us into a complete communicado. When you go, the mula, she doesn't know from here. When you know more go the young. But never go more. I can't see. See how can you give money? Money, I can't sell. The best seller, no color. You have book a song. Component for the game. Component of the no seller of the young. Give up answer that is a matter of Jericho. This will be police. Come on, Albania. You remember in a company, Billahi, Wallahi, Allahi. So these people, you they don't care about the country, they don't care about the resources. So the must have not even gone for a Yantican. I'm not coming up on Banco for a But you go along, fair. Billahi, Wallahi, Allahi. 2026 million out of the body. No more Sunday Mayor along. I bank college. No more Sunday Mayor along. After the Putago, they don't want to let Banco Kanga. Allow Gambia will be a billionaire state. For Gambia to be a billionaire state, we expect the youths to always come out. Protesting, people will come. Although the time we said it was 11 o'clock, before 11 o'clock they came and arrested us. Whenever we organize protests, funding Keolu, the youths of this country, you should always try and come early. You should never be scared of protest, because protest is your fundamental human right. Protest is part of the constitution of this country. The government 1997 constitution is a bad constitution. There is what is called freedom of expression, there is what is called freedom of assembly, there is what is called freedom of whatever you know, freedom of religion and others. So, Naluas is somebody in the Puna 50, the Biam, Momambalwala. It can make when so-called public order act. Niaja Anabaro Abula Gay. Abula Yamakam Alakuna, Nava Abula welcome. So we are saying thanks to our lawyers, thanks to the politicians who came to visit us, thanks to the activists who came to visit us, thanks to everyone who have contributed. Kajoko, we are released from where we are.
Songo Baro Muila Brodaldi, and it Tata Molkono Mialongo Ya Kantale. You were very close to him in 2016. Janial Kuyala. Near advice after this and in Komi Bekeri,
No, President Barrow, I have been advising him because I am always in the media. I always talk to the president. People advise me all the time. People advise me all the time. But the President Barrow
So, okay, it seems like there are other people that are, I don't know. Tisat, oh. Get this. What is Tisat country? When you So yes, last yamu advice so do ya
advice ko sa momo ka ba ko nabi fanni kewul ka dañu taka hadi ko baxel duba ya jele fanni kewul fin da mo ma koy fin anum bi the so-called people ka ba ko the youths are happy ka ni nene the youths are not happy and the youths are ready and the youths will keep fighting parce que mbaro e mo la disco na be sumul kono afan ko e karaje na mata sumul kono disco e fin no la fala President Barrow is not my enemy. Nobody is my enemy in this country. But President Barrow, I am not cool on then I cannot get I am failing. We are against him. We are only against him because the fight against Gambe is the fight we are putting towards him. So President Barrow, because we are not going to surrender. And this protest, we are with one voice, and now if they all come, we are going to speak in one voice. And nous, n'a pas grâce à la police au bout. Pour la semaine, ni ma semaine.
Et mal la mobile au dialogue.
Mobile au dinner, et mon femme dinner, the woolly à la coca mole, and we don't care about whatever they say. Même pour la mole, même pour les Holland Mundo, la Telefono, et la ville by force. Manda Bell Talas, Manda Sebel, Manda report là, Manda Fenna, Yano, and I'm sure.
Thank you so much. Abarkabaga. So, I just wanted to update me on all Brikama protest. Yeah, sorry.
I just have to thank the plan was through I decentralized. We have already agreed that. We're busy with the same number John Galiba Mbake. Only become a protest. I just used my social media messages in fuel, but then protest that
okay. So we are more arrest jail for it was successful.
No, among any arrests in the camp, but they were able to stop the traffic. So you achieve every activity from Baxter, from down and down police station. Move there because we want to have that national voice. But there are people here they're still in denial. What we can do is Kajeko, Westfield is a commercial center, Bikawatu is a commercial center. In moments like this, I think this is the new approach that we need to do once we want to communicate this.
So what is the mood there? Are people ready to come out again and again?
Well, I can say people are not going to sit down. Because imagine but then now gathering voices all from that, because at one point in time Sukuta 2 was very ready to embrace the protest. If we could have that in Sukuta, have it in good. The police might not have the capacity to control all these things. I can say alhamdulillah, it is successful.
Thank you so much, Ismail. Abarka baga. Wala Ismail Faderati, Kafodo Fanambirum Birkama, Yalon to be protest called Nuna, reporter Mantano, Jebotanga, video dolo populist Lemialonko, Wale, Mora Brigama. So Konga Fale Yamendo, saying if a member to come, Willem, protest dolo Mialonko, Welle Soron, Willingara, Mialonko, Wolu, Ibebula follow, if you will Lebadunka Jayako, Ibe Batunale, Foni Nata, Ninata Ibajala, Ibe Diamola. What will be their next move? But in old man 1 hour already, Kobe Mano Mutala Kata willing a police station or the Purkata will Bondigi. So Willem Kotim Alonko, yeah, any Maravina. Yeah, so whatever Mutaribu, so signed the Baturola, new one away Sida, maybe Befindilale, Purkata towards Willingara, while a lawyer Jimba Folele Kononga Bondile, Nakanale, I think a lawyer Mintera Eles Camarati, Atele Tataji, Puruke Natina, so Malang Kolim Belabana Yame. Now, tend to call Jebaki Mobe, Kerfadu, Jibekan, Murana and Kotake, Ning. Modol na mialon ko wolle be balanang wering garambe murana lene ko reke ngatanda la kol mialon ko wolle bi jang jandi wo ala